Why? Because remember when Corona was really tough, okay? So a lot of jobs were not really opening, so we were really scared. So I saw an interview of people on YouTube that basically they got their first 100,000 subscribers, and I was like, how do you do that, right? So this is the topic of today, okay? How to become a YouTuber. And then tomorrow we're gonna give you with another topic, but today is very important because that's basically the number one topic. Everybody's talking about that right now because your finances are just gonna be from now and better, okay? Now here's the deal. You go and you download the app. First one, you go and you download the app YouTube Studios, okay? When you get to this app, okay, to YouTube Studios, let me show you a page that I'm actually continue. I'm doing my mom a page, okay? If you guys want to follow, that's fine. That's called Mama Edit. That's my last page. I got 5 pages right now, okay? That's my last page. So basically, when you're gonna go to this app, it's gonna show you something like this, okay? This is the information. But to make things work, you wanna click right here on the money, all right? When you click on the money, see this green stuff that I'm showing you right here? Okay, this green stuff that I'm showing you right here, that's what we're gonna talk about, okay? So the first one, the first green stuff, this is basically to make you eligible. You have to have 4,000 hours, okay? 4,000 hours. I repeat, we're already on 4 minutes. This life's not gonna go too long, but we're gonna give you the scoop. 4,000 hours of people watching you, okay? What that means, okay? That means that you have videos, okay? You have shorts, okay? And then you have lives, okay? Now, whatever you do from your videos, from your shorts, and from your lives, okay? You need to complete 4,000 hours. People come and they watch your stuff. Don't worry. Don't get disappointed. 4,000 is not that much when you think about work, okay? Now, the investment is $0, guys. The investments is $0, meaning you don't pay anything on YouTube. You don't pay anything on YouTube. However, you also have the 1,000 subscribers. You gotta complete 1,000 subscribers in order to become a YouTube partner. What does the YouTube partner give you right now? Okay, the YouTube partner